Hello! Welcome back, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will learn how to create edits covers. In the last video, I talked to you about 5 things: ID name, username, Instagram bio, profile photo, profile song. If you haven't watched that video yet, the link is available in the description. Be sure to check it out. I'm confident it will help you in some way. Let's start today's video, but before we begin, I have a small request. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my video. Thank you. In this video, we will learn how to create a cover photo or thumbnail for edits. This is not specifically for YouTube videos, but rather for thumbnails or simple edits, like those made for books or fan pages. You can see on the side how we will create such edit covers. For a profile photo, take a picture related to your ID and video. You can use the Pinterest app for pictures as it has all kinds of photos, videos, and other content available. After taking the picture, open the Capcut editor and click on New Project. I know this app is used for editing videos, but trust me and keep following my instructions. Before starting, set the picture's aspect ratio to 9:16, as we will be using this ratio. Here, I am removing the Capcut watermark. If you've freshly downloaded the app, it offers a 1-week free trial. If you want to know how to permanently remove the Capcut watermark, subscribe to me, as the next video will be about this. First, click on the picture, and you will see the Adjust option below. Click on it. We will start by applying a filter. The filter we are going to use is in the Life section, and its name is Humble. Now let's begin the main process. Set the Humble filter to 35. Adjust the settings as follows: brightness 21, contrast 13, saturation 28, brilliance 21, highlights 35, whites 20. After this, should we write something of your choice? I usually write the book name at the top using the Larkin font. Below that, I write the leads' names in a smaller size using a specific font called Lexand Mega. After that, we can make the case text in all capital letters. If you want to add a glow effect or do something else, you can do it as per your preference. What we wanted to convey was the main concept. I hope you fully understood it. After completing all this, just take a screenshot and crop it. Then, open your Instagram profile and set it as your cover photo. The name of my Instagram page is Zumar_X. You can visit it, and you'll find countless ideas there. You can take inspiration from there, but you cannot copy my posts. If you like any edit from there, you can comment, and I'll provide you with a tutorial. Just do this tutorial once. Next time, whenever you need to create a new cover photo, simply use the Replace option to change the photo and edit the book name and characters' names. Here's where our video will end. What do you want to see in the next video? Just comment anything, and the next video will be on that topic. At the end of the video, I'll just say, like, comment, share, and subscribe.